I think ultimately the reason the jury found her guilty, even as against a core legal principle that you can't be responsible for someone else's acts, is because there were just too many damning facts that made the jury think this principle can't be stretched that far. So the parents buy him the gun as an early Christmas gift. They are aware that he's researching ammunition. They're aware that he's fixated in some ways on death, that he's been crying out for mental health help for years, indeed, texting them often that he's having hallucinations. And ultimately, the school calls these parents in when he's found having drawn images of death and destruction on a page the very day he starts the shooting. And the school asks them to take him home. They instead decline and they walk out of there without telling school officials that he has a weapon in his backpack. I know she's going to argue that it was anybody else's fault, certainly his, maybe even the school's. But ultimately, I think what the jury thought was that when faced with this many facts, she had every opportunity to stop this awful day from occurring, and that ultimately she eventually bears some of the responsibility. Now that she's been found guilty, we're going to think hard about the ripple effect this is going to have going forward. On the one hand, we might say that uniquely bad facts make for a unique case. On the other hand, the life of the law is precedent. And now that this precedent is out there, prosecutors are going to know that they have another tool in their kit. And they're going to be able to think hard about whether or not the next highly visible, heartbreaking case is one where they can look for other responsible actors as well.